2, 3. 1, 2, 3. See them all moving?
Nature Lookout is rolling. What do you want to say?
There are 1, 2, 3, 4 hermit crabs. Where? There is a fifth.
Yep, right there.
There's a fifth over here, Nature's. Oh, and there's a great big mama.
What kind of shell does the mama have?
I don't know. Daddy, I found a great big mama.
Awesome.
Want to see? Don't step on that guy.
I won't.
Looks like she's trying to do something to the little one there.
What is she doing?
I don't know.
Whoa, she's big.
She's going after it.
She's aggressive. Yeah, she's chasing him.
I guess she's eating them.
I don't know that hermit crabs can eat each other. We'll have to look that up.
Maybe she's defending her territory because she's going away now.
Daddy,
Yeah.
do you want to see the field?
You showed me the field.
No, not this field here. Daddy, I want you to see.
Is that part of...
What?
Let me get around.
I didn't see anything that's silly. What are you getting around for? What are you seeing?
Part of a crab shell.
Oh, big horseshoe crab.
There's a crab shell, Mama. What kind of crab do you think it is?
You tell me.
You tell me. Is the video still rolling?
It is.
My,
Get your foot out of there.
what kind of creature is that, you think?
It's a horseshoe crab.
No, this.
Oh, that? Homo sapiens. Very dangerous.
Why?
Yeah.
See how many shells there are?
Whoa, look at all
Whoa,
these.
Nature, look out!
Mussels.
Look how much
This
muscle.
whole thing, all through here, is all mussels.
Oh.
It's like a mussel kingdom.
Mussel kingdom.
Oh, and guys, I have a field to show you. Even though we're at the beach, it's a beach field.
Show us.
Okay, come on.
Go, I'll film you. Whoa.
What?
Who's down here?
Snails.
Snails.
That's not the field I'm talking about. It's like a human-sized field, but it's underwater. Guys, want to come around and see? Come on, guys. What you doing all the way back there?
Ooh, crab claw.
Wow, nature look out rolling on that guy. Looks like an Atlantic blue crab.
I think you are correct. Must be the blue color that gave it away, huh?
The blue color that gave what away?
The species of the crab.
No, kind of. Where do you think the field went to?
I don't know.
Huh?
You think the tide's coming in or going out?
Coming out. Oh, Mama, I found purple.
Yeah?
Not a lot, though.
Yeah, it's okay.
You don't want it. You don't want these. You don't want these. Oh, guys, I think it's this way. Is
Rolling.
it going?
Rolling.
Nature lookout. We found an Atlantic dead blue crab.
What happened to all its bones?
I think these are its bones.
Oh, why are its bones its shell? How does that work?
I don't know. Do you?
Does it have an exoskeleton?
I think so.
Yeah? Or does it have bones on the inside? Should we look? Nah, don't touch it with your hands. Use a stick.
I think so. What?
What happened to all of its guts?
I think a seagull ate them.
Whoa. It's the circle of life, huh?
Yeah. Sorry, Atlantic blue crab. I guess you're dead.